bird refuge, and Jessica's excited. She loves birds. I'm not. She's a big birds fan. And I don't know what place we're in, but currently behind us, they're just out there. It's about a couple more miles, so we're gonna check it out and we get to play with some birds. Fun!
No, I can't do it. I have a phobia of birds, which I've had since I was
And we're getting over it today!
I'm gonna be like that girl that couldn't go down the water.
Oh. Jessica, how come a new teammate time?